Hello and welcome to another video from Best Child Friendly Holidays. Introducing to you the Maspalomas and Tabiaba Princess Hotel, a 5-star luxury hotel in the heart of beautiful Maspalomas on the sun-soaked south coast of Gran Canaria in the Canary Islands. The exotic pool complex at this hotel is massive. The main pool is like a huge lagoon. There are 6 pools in total which are heated in the off-season. There's an amazing splash park with a safari theme with tipping buckets, water slides and flumes. Enough to keep kids entertained for hours. Just be aware there's a height restriction of 1.2 metres on the flume. The hotel runs a kids club for children aged 4 to 12 and there's an outdoor playground, nightly mini disco and games room too. The rooms here are kitted out with Wi-Fi, TV and aircon and sleep up to 4, plus cots are available on request. There are a multitude of restaurants and bars to choose from within the hotel, with the main buffet restaurant serving breakfast, lunch and dinner for all-inclusive guests, plus an Asian and Italian restaurant too. There's loads of sports and activities available, plus an adults-only spa and gym where you can unwind with a massage or relax in the jacuzzi, sauna, Turkish bath and wellness pool. The hotel is just 30 minutes transfer from the airport and is situated just a short drive from the famous Maspalomas sand dunes and gorgeous sandy beach. If you like this video, please let us know by leaving a like, and if you want to see more of our recommended videos, why not watch this video next?